Welcome back, authors. I am so excited to get started writing our narrative this week. A narrative is a writing that tells a story. You can describe an experience, an event, or even a sequence of events in the form of a story. All we need to tell is the who, the what, the when, where, how, and why. So this week we're going to be writing a narrative story all about friendship. Since this week we're learning about friendship, sometimes when we have friends there's a problem that happens, and as a friend, you help your friend. So this week we're going to write a fictional narrative where you're going to tell the beginning, the middle, and the end of a story, all about friendship. So good writers can describe the beginning of their story, the middle of their story or the problem, and the end of the story or the solution. So today, our job is going to be able to plan the beginning of our story with who are the characters and what is the setting. So what you're going to need is a paper and a pencil. Why don't you go get that and then we'll start planning. All right, authors, now we are ready to start planning our fictional narrative. Today, like we said, we're just going to plan the beginning of our story. All right, so the first thing we need is who are the characters in your story. So what you're going to do is you're going to think of two characters or one character in your story. But since it's a friendship book, you probably need two. My two characters are going to be the narwhal named Nate and his friend Unicorn. Alright, so pause the video and write your two characters' names. Alright, so we have the who or the characters at the beginning of the story. Now we need to know where are they. So underneath your characters, write where are they. My characters are going to be on the playground. Playground. Pause the story or pause the video and write yours. Alright, now let's write what happened. What are they doing in the beginning of the story? What are the two friends doing? So Narwhal and Nate, named Nate, and Unicorn are at the playground, and they're going to be playing tennis. Alright, friends, now it's your turn. Pause the video and start writing what are they doing in the beginning of the story. Now that you have the characters, the setting, and what they're doing, we're going to put it into a sentence. So let's start with the characters' names. So I'm going to write Nate the Narwhal and Unicorn. Now let's add the where. We're at the playground. And what were they doing? Playing tennis. Nate the Narwhal and Unicorn were at the playground playing tennis. Alright, friends. So today, what we did our planning for the beginning of the story. We have the characters, the setting, and what they were doing. and then we put it into a sentence. Nate the narwhal and Unicorn were at the playground playing tennis. Period. So today we wrote the beginning of our story. All right, tomorrow we will write the problem and the solution of our story. Great job, authors!